This is the TSHYA 270 pack 2-inch sanding disc pad kit. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get a paper here. They give you a 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch shank, as you see there. That'll work with this adapter here. This has hook and loop fasteners on the yellow part, okay, right there. And then this is a pad that goes on that to kind of soften the blow, also with hook and loop on there. And you see that's threaded, and that can screw on to that, just like that. And now this can be used in a drill or a pneumatic tool or something of that nature. Or if you want to swap that out for this one, this can be used in a rotary tool. They also give you a different kind of shank over here for the various other pads and stuff like that. This one, you get two shanks like this, and as you can see, one of them is a hex shank, which is especially great for a drill. That has threads that screw into this, okay, like that. And then you get the hook and loop disc, and that piece screws into over here. I'll show you that a little bit later. And sanding discs, and a lot of sanding discs. I can't even spread them all out here. You have some very coarse grit stuff over here. These different ones are, they have their own backing on them, as you see, that go into that adapter like that. And you get some others. Here's like a scrubby disc here, another scrubby, and yet another scrubby disc like that. So coarse, medium, and fine. Here's a wool polishing disc and a very abrasive type. You could probably strip a little paint off or something like that with that one. And of course, all of these are just plain old sanding discs. Just sandpaper that's circular is pretty much what it is. And they give you all different grits here. You have from 36 to 3000 grit. So just to give you an example of these, once again, threaded on there, takes either this one, which gives you a 1/4 inch, or this one, which gives you 1/8 inch for use in a rotary tool. You can take this off entirely, so now it's kind of a hard hook and loop pad for any of these sanding discs here, or on a sponge type thing like that to give it a little cushioning, and that just kind of sticks on just like that. Your other option is to use this guy, okay? So with that, you'll get 1/4 inch with that. You have a hex one, and you have a straight one. This screws in. Ideally, you would take a wrench and tighten that nut up, because that'll cinch it up to this, because you don't want this spinning at 20,000 RPM and flying off somewhere. That just wouldn't be good. You can now use this hook and loop pad here. It just screws in like that, and now any of these sanding discs will attach to that, or that comes off. You can use the scrubby pad, and that just attaches like that, or any of the other ones here as such. So let me go ahead and I'll get a piece of wood, and we'll get some sanding and all kinds of stuff like that. We'll try to do something. So this has got some stuff coming up there that's not, might get a splinter from that. So here we go. I have, this is an 80 grit, I think, attached to the adapter, which is attached to the other adapter, which is attached to the other adapter, and stuff like that. And now this is just an old 12-volt drill, but we can certainly sand that down. Do a little more too. And you can see that not only did it knock off all that stuff, but it's also lighter in color, which means it certainly sanded it away real nice and easy, just like that. And this is, again, just using a drill. You can use a rotary tool and make it run a lot faster. This doesn't run too fast because it's only a 12-volt thing and it's a drill, you know, but it definitely will work. And you can also use a pneumatic tool, like I said before, and that also can run faster and give you some better results as far as that goes. That's pretty rough there too, so we'll sand that up. Of course, if I had a vise here, it would be a lot better, but it already has gotten a lot smoother as such. And of course, if you want to just take down an area here where I can hold it, you can see how that's been sanded down as well. In fact, there's a bevel there just like that. So a really nice kit of all different grits of sandpaper and stripping discs and real coarse grit stuff over here like that, and everything just changes out real nice and easy. That can unscrew. We can just put this guy right in like that, and you're ready to go. So quick change, nice and easy, works with a myriad of different tools, and 270 pieces in total. This is a pretty nice kit from TSHYA. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.